So I'm demonstrating Voki. Um, it's a way to create an avatar. First, you have to create an account. If you're a student, it's free, but for others, they do give you a 15-day trial. You start by creating a character, and you could click on this thing to just create a random character, and it's rambling. So we could go right here. Um, right now I'm in some folk tales, but there's all these characters you could do. Um, you could also change his eyes, the color of his mouth right here. Um, let's change it to blue. Let's change his skin. You could get creative. Um, and let's change his hair. That didn't really. Oh, there we go. And then we could tweak the size of his face, his mouth, if you want to get really creative. Um, so let's just reset that. Um, you could also, let's go back. You could change their clothing. There's some options. You could give them a hat if they have. You could add some of the options you could add glasses, hats. But let's go to dogs. 'Cause I like a dog. Here we go. Let's get yourself a dog. Everybody loves dogs. Let's get to this dog. Okay, so I'm going to keep this dog. I'm going to press done. And I'm going to change this background because I don't like this background. We could put him on a lake. We could put him on a farm. Let's put him on a farm. Click done. And now we have to add some speech. You could call someone, you could text it, you could record your voice. Let's text it. Okay, and then you could change his accent. You could change the voice. Right now it's on Paul. Let's do James. And let's play him, see how he sounds.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I am a dog. I am new to town, and I am looking for a steak restaurant. I would like to buy a juicy bone. Can you help?
So now we're going to publish it. For whatever reason, it's not letting me publish, but you could publish it, you could post it to Facebook, and you could get it really creative, and this will be fun.